Today we're going to bring the stainless steel filler. This is good to measure gaps, and I've been using this for my 3D printing, and every time something happens into my system, I always have to measure the gap. So I've been having issues with my Creality K1, and we're going to see and measure how much gap does it have to have, because I want to see how much is it from when it's closed and it's open. And to measure, you need a tool similar to this. So we're gonna go in, and if you guys notice, it has other measurements on the side and well established. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and we're gonna try to measure the gaps that it has in between. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and this is where I'm talking about when you're printing the gap. So right now it is unlocked and this is locked. All right, so unlock, I want to see how what's the difference on the gap itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure it. Right now it is unlocked. All right, so if I lock it, it doesn't, this is where I have to make sure I have the right measurements. All right, so I just gotta unlock it and lock it in. So let's unlock it first, and let's measure how much of a width does it have. So we grab our tool here, the stainless steel tool, right? And all you got to do is just make sure you start with the millimeters. You could go all the way up and all the way down, right? So either way, right now we're going to try to see how much we can go into it. So, and we can move this out of the way completely and start adding your measuring. So we're going to try to see, we're going to start with 102 millimeters, all right? And we're going to move everything to the back. And still a lot of gap in there, so we're gonna add some more. So all you got to do is add another one. 254, so we're gonna add 254. It's a little bit off, so it's about between, let me add one more of this. It's about there. So, and I can move it there, so that's a big gap right there, and that's all I could find out. Let me move this to the back. 276, the gap. So very useful tool for 3D printing. Just, it's stainless steel, so there's gonna be oil on it, so it's perfect for mechanics. It's perfect for 3D printing.